one.
Oh, you cleared that whole tablecloth? Yes. Completely cleared it. Yeah. They found the stuff. You ready?
Here comes an
I believe
ambulance.
I've seen a thumbs up come out of what's left of the window.
Mommy's busy. She's filming. No, you wait. That's being bad.
Oh, is that right? He blew his motor. That's who Really?
Alrighty. We out of time. Hang on.
Watch.
He didn't do his last time on this run. His last time was 1948, but he had a 2010.
You think he's okay?
But I'll give him a 10 for the landing.
You think he's okay?
Alrighty, they're gonna let's try to talking to him, make sure everything's okay here.
Watch. Watch.
Want to get the official word from somebody down there that he is okay. Let's see a thumbs up.
He's okay? Okay.
He says he's alright. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Listen, hey, if you would listen
I
to what
told you that they